The universe always has surprises for us. Just when we think we have a good map of our own cosmic neighborhood, something new appears. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, was peering into the dark, cold region beyond Pluto. This area is called the Kuiper Belt, and it's full of icy objects left over from the formation of our solar system. The telescope wasn't actually looking for a new planet. It was studying the faint light from distant galaxies. But then, something closer blocked that light. It turned out to be a large, previously unknown object. This object was found by chance. Astronomers were using the JWST's powerful infrared eyes, which can see heat that's invisible to us. They were analyzing data from a long observation of a distant star cluster, and the team noticed a faint, moving dot of light. It was much closer than the stars. At first, they thought it might be a known Kuiper Belt object, but its path and size were different. It was moving slowly, which means it's very far from the sun, but it was also surprisingly bright in the infrared spectrum, suggesting it's much larger than anything we found out there before. The discovery was a team effort. Scientists from NASA and the European Space Agency worked together. They had to confirm what they were seeing. Was it a glitch in the telescope's instruments? Was it an asteroid passing by? So they pointed the JWST back to that same spot several times over a few months. Each time the object was there, moving steadily on its long orbit. They calculated its distance and size. It sits far beyond Pluto in the coldest, darkest part of our solar system. We've named this new world Xylos, a name for a world found in the cosmic woods. Finding Xylos is a huge deal. Our solar system just got a little bigger and a lot more mysterious. It shows us that even our own backyard has secrets we haven't uncovered yet. The JWST was designed to look back at the beginning of time, but it's also a powerful tool for exploring what's close to home. This discovery reminds us that there are still big things to find right here. We thought we had counted all the major players in our solar system. It turns out we were missing one. The cosmic census is not yet complete. When the first clear images of Xylos came back, scientists were confused. Planets usually have colors we can explain. Mars is red because of iron rust. Neptune is blue because of methane gas. But Xylos is different. Its surface is a swirl of vibrant purple and a strange metallic gold. These colors have never been seen together on a planet before. They're not just simple patches of color. They form complex shifting patterns, like weather systems made of liquid paint. These cosmic colors are a puzzle that baffles planetary scientists. What could cause such strange colors? One idea is that Xylos has a very weird atmosphere. The deep purple might come from a type of molecule we've never seen before. This molecule could be formed by the extreme cold and faint sunlight in that distant region. The gold color is even more mysterious. Some scientists think it could be a mist of actual metallic elements, like vaporized iron or nickel, suspended in the atmosphere. This would be very unusual. It would mean the planet has some kind of internal heat source powerful enough to vaporize metals, even in the freezing cold of space. Another theory involves the planet's surface. Perhaps Xylos is not a gas giant, but a rocky world with a thin atmosphere. In this case, the colors could come from exotic minerals on the ground. The purple could be a type of crystalline rock that forms only under very low temperatures and pressures. The golden areas could be fields of a strange reflective ice, not water ice, but maybe frozen nitrogen mixed with complex hydrocarbons. These chemicals could be reacting to the faint radiation from the sun, creating the brilliant colors we see. The truth is, we do not know for sure. The colors on Xylos challenge our models of how planets form and what they can be made of. It's a completely new type of world. The strange patterns suggest there are active processes happening on Xylos. Maybe there are storms, winds, or even cryovolcanoes erupting with colorful slush. We need more data to solve this mystery. Each new image from the JWST gives us more clues. We're looking at a brand new chemical and geological laboratory, and it's waiting for us to figure out its secrets. The story gets even stranger. As astronomers studied Xylos, they noticed something about its orbit. It wasn't just orbiting our sun. Its path was being gently pulled by something else, something big. The calculations pointed to our nearest stellar neighbors, the Alpha Centauri system. But here's the twist. The gravitational pull wasn't just from the stars themselves. It suggested that a massive planet, a gas giant, was orbiting one of those stars, Alpha Centauri A. This was a blockbuster discovery hidden within another discovery. Finding a gas giant in the Alpha Centauri system would be a game changer. This star system is only about 4.3 light-years away from us. It's our next-door neighbor in the galaxy. We've looked for planets there for decades. We've found some small rocky candidates, but finding a giant planet like Jupiter or Saturn would be incredible. This gas giant, if it exists, is not visible to us directly. Its presence is only hinted at by the subtle wobble it causes in the orbit of Xylos, all the way across the solar system. Why is this so important? A gas giant in a star system can have a huge effect on smaller, rocky planets. Sometimes, their powerful gravity can protect smaller planets from being hit by asteroids. In other cases, they can disrupt the orbits of smaller planets, making them less stable for life. If there's a Jupiter orbiting Alpha Centauri A, it changes everything we thought we knew about that system. It could mean there are other, smaller, Earth-like planets hiding there, protected by their giant neighbor. Or it could mean the system is too chaotic for a stable planet. This discovery connects our solar system to our nearest star system in a new way. We're not just neighbors, we're interacting. The gravity from a planet in another star system is affecting an object within our own. That is a profound idea. It shows that the universe is a connected web of gravitational forces. The discovery of Xylos did more than just add a new world to our map. It gave us a new tool to probe the secrets of the star system next door. It's like finding a clue in your own yard that tells you what your neighbor is doing in their house. The discovery of Xylos and the potential giant at Alpha Centauri has opened up a new chapter in exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started. Astronomers are now planning more observation time to focus on both of these amazing objects. For Xylos, the goal is to use the telescope's spectrographs. These instruments can break down the light from the planet's atmosphere. This will tell us exactly what chemicals are creating those beautiful purple and gold colors. We want to know if we're seeing new molecules or familiar elements behaving in new ways. Future monitoring of Xylos's orbit is also critical. By tracking its path very precisely over the next few years, we can confirm the existence of the gas giant at Alpha Centauri. Each measurement will help refine our understanding of the gas giant's size, mass, and orbit. This is a slow and patient process. It's like watching two very slow dancers on a cosmic stage. The JWST will continue to watch them, collecting the data we need to build a complete picture. This is how science works, one careful observation at a time, building on what we learned before. But the JWST will not be alone for long. The next generation of giant ground-based telescopes is coming soon. Telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope or ELT and the 30-meter telescope or TMT will have enormous mirrors. They'll be able to see things with even greater detail than the JWST. They might even be able to take a direct picture of the gas giant at Alpha Centauri. Imagine that, a photograph of a planet orbiting another star. These future telescopes will work together with the JWST to answer the questions these discoveries have raised. This is an exciting time to be exploring the universe. We're like the explorers of old, mapping a new world. Xylos has shown us that our solar system still has big secrets. The hint of a planet at Alpha Centauri tells us that our neighbors have secrets too. Each new discovery doesn't just give us answers, it gives us better, more interesting questions. What else is hiding in the dark? How many different ways can a planet be built? As we continue to point our telescopes to the sky, we know one thing for sure. The cosmos has many more surprises waiting for us. Keep looking up.